At first glance, it's just a fence, wooden poles, ceramic isolators, steel wire stretching into the distance, a memory from a distant past. More than a century ago, this quiet forest stood on the edge of two very different worlds. On one side, the neutral Netherlands. On the other, occupied Belgium, under German control after the invasion of 1914. For thousands of people, crossing this border meant freedom. Refugees fled the war. Young men tried to escape so they could join the Belgian army. Spies, smugglers, resistance, couriers, all trying to reach the safety of the Netherlands. The German army decided to stop them. In 1915, they built a barrier that stretched for nearly 300 kilometers along the border. An electrified fence, hidden in forests like this, running through fields, cutting through villages. Locals would soon give it a chilling name: the Wire of Death. The wires carried thousands of volts. One mistake, one accidental touch, and the current would pass straight through the body. Many never got a second chance. But even this deadly barrier did not stop everyone. Desperate people tried to outsmart it. Some crawled underneath using wooden boards for insulation. Others climbed over with ladders or rubber gloves. Some even tried to short-circuit the wires. A few succeeded, many did not. Historians believe hundreds, possibly thousands died trying to cross this electrified border, here, in places just like this. And the fence was never alone. German soldiers guarded the line, watching, waiting, making sure no one crossed. When the war finally ended in 1918, the electricity was switched off, the fence was dismantled, and the forest slowly reclaimed the border. Today, the woods are peaceful again, but hidden among the trees is the memory of a border that once carried thousands of volts, and the desperate stories of those who tried to cross it.